Mary Mother English Medium School, the Annual Report 2023-2024. The center of attraction to today's celebration, Honorable MLA, dignified guests of honors, VIPs, special invitees, members of the Parents Executive, ever-supporting public, talented members on the staff, and my loving children. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you all on this occasion of the mega annual day of Mary Mother English Medium School. This occasion is surely one that has been much awaited, much curated, and very much expected. Mary Mother School pays the best honors to Mother Nature for all her divine graces. We are all head down, hands folded, and knees bent before the providence of the Almighty. We also assure you to continue the best in-class service in the arena of education, counting on the dedication, determination, and devotion of our team here. With ardent commitment towards our mission of creating innovative global thinkers through value-based education, I present this annual report before all of you. Academic and allied activities. The 2023 All India Secondary School Examination conducted by the Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi, was attempted by 32 students from our school who have secured an all-pass result with 30 among them achieving first-class scores. Ms. Triveni Jagadale topped the class with 95%, followed by Ms. Mansi Kate with 92.4%. Our TGT of Social Science, Mr. Sadish Matthew, was appreciated on 8th July 2023 by the Sahyadri Sahodaya Satara for being the top-scoring subject teacher. Ms. Sushri Kadam of grade 10 has bagged the international first position of STEM Olympia 2023, winning a shared cash prize of rupees 25,000. Our students, Ms. Srimay Roman, Master Shreyash Jagadale, and Ms. Sanskriti Gade secured second, third, and fourth ranks in the state, respectively, in the NSS examination of 2023. General events of significance. The academic year 2023-2024 was inaugurated in the presence of our students and parents on 12th June 2023. The event was graced by Mrs. Sagar Paul, President, Dehibidi Nagara Panchayat, and Father Sanu Golanjeri, Secretary, PPCCS. Empowering the growing generation with political aspirations and civic life realities, the elections for the Students' Council were conducted through secret balloting system on 19th June 2023. The elected members of the council, led by Ms. Tanvi Manoj Kumar Katkar and Master Mushdik Munshi Sheikh, took their oath of office from Maswad Mary Mother alumnus and 2023 UPSC selected IAS trainee Ms. Ramkar Gundge on 24th June 2023. From the start of this academic year, a pleasant addition came in the form of inducting our Rajagit into the daily assembly, and this addition is a matter of great pride and prestige for all of us. Togetherness and teamwork can deliver the best solutions. Eco Club, Heritage Club, Health and Wellness Club, Maths and Literature Clubs were inaugurated on the 12th of July 2023 in a well-presented ceremony organized by the respective club in charges and students. We organize orientation sessions for our kids on a terminal basis on various areas concerning the growth of our future generation. Career awareness, physical development, mental well-being, and spiritual attributes are some of the areas where we focus. Personal counseling and individual support for children with special needs and learning disabilities are also brought in practice. The Adolescent Guidance Seminar conducted by the Nirbhaya team working under the DYSP office Vaduch on 27th August 2023 was so well etched in the minds of our boys and girls of grade 5 and above. A special mention of thanks to the team of police officers for celebrating Raksha Bandhan with our students. Co-curricular front at a glance. Our grade 4 student, Ms. Srija Mahesh Ugale, and grade 5 student, Ms. Sanskriti Anil Gadge, won Art Merit Award and National Silver Award respectively in the national level art competitions conducted by Rangolotsav Celebrations, Mumbai. On 21st October 2023, our junior team of dancers has lifted the ever-rolling trophy, winning the inter-house school dance competition conducted by St. Joseph School, Barshi. The team, comprising of students from grades 4 to 7, was led by Master Harsharaj Kadi. They have also been awarded a cash prize of rupees 25,000. Feedbacks and feed-forwards. During term 1 of the academic year 2023-24, 2 meetings of the Parents Executive Committee were held on 16th July and 5th November for due consultation, deliberation, and finalization of decision concerning the parent community. 3 general body parents' meet were organized during the academic year 31st July, 30th September, and 4th November 2023. Our academic and admin teams are available for parents to meet on second Saturdays as well. Teacher timings. As part of our endeavor for updating and upgrading the professional capabilities of our teaching staff, Mary Mother School lays special emphasis on continuous professional development programs by organizing in-house teachers training in addition to providing them provisions for attending various online training sessions conducted by SCRT, NCRT, CBSE, AICTE, and Ministry of Education. Other arenas of priority. As per the guidelines of Ministry of Education, Government of India and CBSE, we have constituted School Innovation Council and a core team for school quality assessment and assurance, both chaired by the principal. Our students were encouraged to take part in national events like Parisha Pe Charcha with the Prime Minister and Veer Gaath project by the Ministry of Defence, Battle of Minds by the Indian Army, and Fit India Quiz by the National Testing Agency. Ms. Srishti Kadam, Ms. Gargi Gundage, Ms. Pooja Katshit, Ms. Jagrati Satre, and Ms. Manchiri Katshit were appreciated by the Prime Minister's office for the ideas they contributed for Parisha Pe Charcha 2023. Ms. Abarna Suresh Kadam, our parent representative, was also appreciated by the PMO. In line with the recommendations of new educational council, new educational policy, skill subjects, vocational subjects, arts, sports, and career-focused training in various streams are being designed and modified with effect from the academic year 2022-2023. And in this course, a full day every week named Super Saturday is catered for the purpose of developing our children in athletics, yoga, wrestling, indoor and outdoor games, team and individual sports, karate, music, drawing, IT and digital designing, band set, oration and public speaking, hands-on science, etc. We are also all set to set up our innovation lab of artificial intelligence and robotics very soon for our students. In order to inculcate the fundamental concept of learning in students in such a way, they shall practice them years in advance to their life-changing competitive exams. CDF tests are organized bi-monthly. The name CDF stands for Concepts, Definitions and Formulae. The culmination of CDF prelims and qualifiers is annual Mary Mother Science Scholarship Exam conducted exclusively for the students of Mary Mother in the month of April. Communication is the key to clarity and transparency. Our monthly newsletter, The Beats, is published online to showcase our day-to-day activities, scheduled events, achievements of our Mary Mother marvels, and the inputs from teachers, parents, and child prodigies. It is worth mentioning here that we are up to date on digital platforms such as X, formerly Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google+, YouTube, etc. Even today's event is being telecast live. The school website, marymother.dehivedi.edu.in, provides accurate and elaborate details of this institution, bringing global connectivity. Achievements in sports and games. Men's Sana incorporates Sanu, a healthy mind in a healthy body. With this motto, sports activities and events are mainstreamed along with curriculum, right from the mass PT during the morning assembly. Building resilience and flexibility is a factor of predominant importance for our students. Participation in sports championships and tournaments at various levels is encouraged duly. This academic year, our boys Master Tanveer Sheikh and Master Ompol of grade 8 were selected for the district athletics meet in under-14 high jump and hurdles. Master Harshan Silwant of grade 5 was selected in under 12 high jump, whereas Master Sairaj Phattare of grade 8 got selections in under 14 shot put. Our baseball team, led by Master Chinmay Raut, was selected for the divisional level tournament. In addition, our physical education trainer, Mr. Vishnu Kalil, has been selected as an international official for baseball by MLB United. The Satara District Softball Tournament was hosted by our school, extending the facilities available with us for the common benefit of players, and our team of under 14 boys, led by Master Aryan Satre, was selected for the divisional softball tournament at Sangli. The dedication. Under the aegis of Parambasa Charitable Society, abiding by the guidelines and instructions of the Ministry of Education, Government of India, Department of School Education and Sports, Government of Maharashtra, and Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi, Mary Mother strives on aiming towards excellence in the field of education. We believe in the philosophy that every child is a gifted, unique creation made for a noble purpose on this earth, promising this august audience that this temple of Saraswati shall keep on serving the purpose of man-making in Mankatau. I submit this report before the President of PPCS, Satara, for his kind approval, please. In all its glory, let Jivan Pravah begin.